This is my last episode, that is 8th episode, method of substitution of indefinite integrals. Method of substitution. Last episode, this is the 8th episode. We are going to solve some more indefinite integrals, and then we are going to solve in the next episode method of integration by parts. This is the last episode. I am going to solve some more problems, 5 or 6 problems of method of substitution. Now straight away we are going to solve some sums. Number one sum is integration dx by 2 plus x root over 1 plus x. So if this type of sum, we have this type, if x plus b root over cx plus d, that is both linear form, inside root, outside root. In this form, we have to put always under root is this, cx plus d is z square. If that is the form, that is, this is also linear form, this is also linear form, so we put under root is z square, that is cx plus d is z square. Now here put with 1 plus x is z square. Always, if they are in linear form, both are of linear form, under root and outside root, both are linear form, then we can put under root is z square. Now differentiate it, 2z dz equal to dx. Now replace here simply, dx means 2z dz. Now 1 plus x is z square, so 2 plus x, what is 2 plus x? Z square plus 1. Just adding 1 on both sides. Just adding 1 on both sides. So we get 2 plus x is z square plus 1. So putting here 2 plus x is z square plus 1. Now under root 1 plus x is putting z square. Now it becomes next line z dz. Root over z square is only z. Root over z square is only z. And this is z square plus 1. Z cancel, it becomes dz by z square plus 1 square. Z cancel. Now it becomes formula 1 by a tan inverse z by a plus constant. Now just putting the value of z, tan inverse root over 1 plus x square plus c. So if we get this type of sum, both outside and inside root are linear form, then we put root over that is z square. Then it becomes a simple standard form, and now integrate it. Very simple problem. That is the one type of problem. Next we are going to solve another problem of different type. Okay. Next problem is, I am going to solve next problem. This is integration dx by x root over 1 plus x square. Sorry, 1 plus x square. This type of form is that outside root is linear form, say ax plus b, and inside root is a quadratic form, say cx square plus dx plus c. Outside is linear form and inside root is quadratic form. Then we have to put x is equal to 1 by z. We have to put this here, x is equal to 1 by z. Simple, we get the standard form. So if this type of problem, that is one is linear form, that is outside the root, and one is inside the root, that is a quadratic form, then you have to put x is equal to 1 by z. Simple. Here we put x equal to 1 by z. Now differentiate. Dx is equal to 1 by minus 1 by z square dz. This is the differentiation. 1 by z we can write z to the power minus 1. So differentiation is minus z to the power minus 2, that is 1 by z square. Okay. D dz of that. So now transfer the values. Dx becomes minus 1 by z square dz. X is 1 by z. 1 plus x is 1 by z, and x square becomes 1 by z square. 1 z is cancelled. Only 1 by z dz. Now it is simplified. Z square is the LCM. That is z square plus z plus 1. Now 1 by z dz, it becomes root over z square plus z plus 1 by z. This z cancelled. This z cancelled. We get dz by just root over z square plus z plus 1. Root over z square plus z plus 1. Now this can be written as a plus b whole square form. Z square plus 2 into z into half plus half a whole square plus 1 minus 1 by 4. We add 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4, and subtract it. Adding 1 by 4 and subtract it. Now it becomes dz by root over z plus half whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, plus 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So it can be written as root 3 by 2 whole square. Now using the formula. Formula is that log x plus root over x square plus a square. Now substitute the value. Z is here 1 by x plus half. Okay, plus root over now it can be simplified more, but you can write the answer this type of answer form, but it can be simplified more and more. It becomes more simpler. But you can write in this form, you will get the numbers, I think. But it can be simplified more and more. LCM and this square, we will get a more simplified form. But this is the answer. You can write this in this form, you will get the number. Okay, so this is another form. Outside is linear form, under root is quadratic form. Then we can put x is equal to 1 by z. Then we can solve the problem. This is another type of method of substitution. Okay. This can be simplified more and more. It becomes more simpler form. My next problem is, okay, my next problem number 3 today. Problem number 3 today. Integration dx by 4 minus 3x square root over 3 plus 4x square. If both outside root and inside root are quadratic form, okay, both inside and outside root are in quadratic form, that is dx by ax square plus bx plus c root over dx square plus ex plus f, in that form. Then we can write under root is z square x square. We can put this. So here we have to put 3 plus 4x square equal to z square x square. Under root we have to put z square x square. Now simplify the problem. Here we can write x square is x square into z square minus 4 is 3, or x square is equal to 3 minus z square minus 4. Now differentiate both sides. 2x dx is 3, this whole to the power minus 1, that is minus 1, z square minus 4 whole to the power minus 2 into differentiation of that to z dz, that is minus 6 z by z square minus 4 whole square dz. Cancel 2, so x dx is equal to minus 3z by z square minus 4 whole square dz. Now put it here. Dz is minus 3z by z square minus 4 whole square, 4 minus 3x square. From here we have get x square is 3 by z square minus 4 into this is root over z square x square. Okay, sorry, here x dx, we have dx is into 1 by x, dx is that 1 by x dz. Minus 3 become z by z square minus 4 into 4z square minus 25 into 1 by x square dx. Now putting this x square is z square minus 4 into 4z square minus 25 into 1 by x square. So x square means 3 by z square minus 4. Sorry, dz. Z cancel. This z is cancelled. This z and this z cancelled. So this is the form. Now cut it. 3 also cancel. It becomes just minus dz by 4z square minus 25. This is our the last form. Okay. Right. Simply the slightly lengthy calculation here. So x square is 3 by z square minus 4. So 2x dx is that. Now just substitute this value. Now it becomes the standard form 1 by 4 dz by z square minus 5 by 2 whole square. So this is 1 by 2a log z minus a by z plus a plus c. That is our answer. Now we have to replace z. Freshly we can say that if both are quadratic form, then we have to put inside the root is z square x square. Now differentiate it and substitute this value, we will get this thing. Okay. Now we have to substitute the value of z. Now we have to substitute the value of z from here. Then we will get perfect answer. Okay. Now we have to put here the value of z simply. First of all, we have to put 3 plus 4x square is z square x square. So x square becomes this. Now differentiate it. Now substitute this value. We have get this simply. Now we have to put the value of z and getting the answer. Now it becomes minus 1 by 1 by 20, sorry. This is 1 by 20, 2 cancels, 4 5s are 20, and it becomes log 2z minus 5 by 2z plus 5 plus c. Now from here we have z equal to, now from here we have z equal to, we have z is equal to 3 plus 4x square by x square is equal to z square. So z is root over 3 plus 4x square by x. Put it here. Minus 1 by 20 log 2 into root over 3 plus 4x square by x minus 5 by 2 into root over 3 plus 4x square by x plus 5 plus constant log by simplifying 3 plus 4x square minus 5x by 2 root over 3 plus 4x square plus 5x plus c is our answer. This is long process, long type of problem. Okay, so this becomes the answer. We can say this is the answer. Usually this type of problem is not coming in the in board exam, but it is a different type of method of substitution. Now we are going to solve another problem and conclude this part. Okay, method of substitution. This type of problem usually not coming in the board exam. This type of problem. Okay. Now we are going to very intelligent short problem. Integration cos x minus sin x divided by root over sin 2x dx. Numerator as it is. Now, sin 2x we can write 1 plus sin 2x minus 1. Adding 1 and subtract 1 dx of cos x minus sin x dx. Now this one can be written as cos square x plus sin square x, and this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x by multiple angle formula, trigonometry. So 1 can be replaced by cos square x plus sin square x, and sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and minus 1 as it is. Now cos x minus sin x dx, we can write this a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is a plus b whole square under root minus 1. Now putting simply sin x plus cos x is z. So dz is cos x minus sin x dx. Sin x differentiation cos x and cos x differentiation minus sin x. Now simply put here dz by root over z square minus 1. Cos x minus sin x dx. Cos x minus sin x dx is dz, and this sin x plus cos x is z. Now it becomes to straight formula. Putting the formula now, z plus root over z square plus 1 minus 1 plus c. Now substitute the value. Simple substitute the value. This is sin x plus cos x plus z square minus 1. Z square minus 1, that is sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Now sin x plus cos x whole square is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x minus 1. This is 1. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x minus 1. Cancel it, only sin 2x. So z square minus 1 is only sin 2x. Z square minus 1 becomes sin 2x plus c. This is our answer. Good, it is a good problem. This sin 2x we can write 1 plus sin 2x minus 1. Now 1 can be replaced by cos square x plus sin square x. Very important formula for trigonometry and basic formula. And now sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. It becomes sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Putting here sin x plus cos x is z, and simply we get the answer. That is a very good, short but good problem. My last problem of today. We conclude the method of substitution. Root over a plus x by x dx. This is my last problem. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share. Please subscribe and share. In the next episode, we are going to solve some integration by parts. So this is my last problem of this episode. This problem can be solved in two ways. One is using trigonometry putting, that is, we can put here x equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. X equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. We can simplify this problem. This is the one type. And another type we can solve in another method coming next. This can be, we can put it is x equal to a tan theta, sorry, a tan square theta, not a tan theta, x equal to a tan square theta. So dx is twice a tan theta into differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta d theta. Now replace here a plus a tan square theta, putting x equal to a tan square theta into dx is that 2a tan theta into sec square theta. Now taking common 1 plus tan square theta by a square a tan square theta into 2 tan theta into sec square theta d theta. Now a cancel, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta by tan square theta into 2 tan theta into sec square theta d theta. Okay. Now it becomes sec theta by tan theta, into sec cube theta, sec square theta, sorry. So tan theta cancel, it becomes sec cube theta. This problem now can be solved by method of, by integration by parts, but we are not discussing integration by parts so far. So this can be solved when we going to the next episode of method of substitution. We will see you how to solve this type of problem by method of substitution. So we use here, this problem is another method. Okay, but if you solve this sec cube theta, you have to use integration by parts. So in the next episode, we are going to solve method by parts. We solve this problem, how to solve this sec cube theta by using integration by parts. Now this type of problem, we are going to solve another method. Okay, this is the one of the method. Putting x equal to a tan square theta, now it becomes sec cube theta d theta, but this problem can be solved by using integration by parts. So this problem will show you in the next episode when we are going to solve some by parts. Now we are going to solve, this is going to solve by another method, that is method of substitution. Also here also we put x equal to a tan square theta, this is also a method of substitution, but then we have go to integration by parts. Now this problem is solved by another method. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by a plus x. So this becomes only a plus x and this becomes root over x square plus ax. Now differentiation of x square plus ax, ddx of x square plus ax is 2x plus a. ddx of x square plus ax is 2x plus a. So here we take half and multiply this by 2. 2x plus 2a by root over x square plus ax. Now we can write this 2x plus 2a is 2x plus a plus a by root over x square plus ax. Now we can separate this 2x by this plus a by this. Integration 2x plus a by root over x square plus ax, okay, dx plus a dx by root over x into a plus x dx. Just separate this part by this part and this part by this part. This is becomes integration d of x square plus ax by root over x square plus ax, and this part we can put x equal to or x a plus x equal to z square, either x equal to z square or ax plus x square. Either we can put a plus x is z square or x equal to z square. We can do it in another method also, taking as a half whole square form. This is x square plus ax. This is x square plus ax. Now we can do it by whole square form. X square plus 2 into x into a by 2. That is 2 cancel ax plus a square by 4. Adding a square by 4 and subtract a square by 4. Okay, so this becomes integration d of x square plus ax by root over x square plus ax minus a by 2 dx by root over x plus a by 2 whole square minus a by 2 whole square. Now using the formula dx by root x. What is dx by root x? Integration dx by root x is dx by root x is 1 by half 2 root over x square plus ax. Okay, and this becomes log x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. This is our answer. Cancel 2 root over x square plus ax minus x plus root over x square minus x square log e x plus a by 2 plus, by simplification here, this is a square by 4, a square by 4, a square by 4. By simplified we get x square plus ax plus c is our answer. Actually from here we can write this, actually integration dx by root x, what is that? This is the answer first of all. Dx by say x square plus ax is x. So this becomes dx by root over x. How to integrate? This is, we can write x to the power minus half dx. So by the formula x to the power n dx, x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1, that is 2 root over x plus constant. That's why we would write that 2 root over this. If we consider x square plus ax as y, so dy by root y, this is dy by root y. So dy by root y is 2 root y. Okay, if we consider x square plus ax is y, so this becomes integration dy by root y, that is y to the power minus half dy, that is y to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1, that is 2 root over y, that is 2 root over x square plus ax. Here we write that 2 root over x square plus ax. So we conclude our method of substitution part. Next part we are going to solve some method using by parts, integration by parts. Please again, if anyone like my channel, please subscribe and share. And any student had any problem about the maths, about integration, you can ask me by my phone number 9830-495093. This is my phone number. Anyone have any problem of integration, you can ask me and I will definitely help you to solve the problem. Okay? So this is my 8th episode. In the next episode we are going to solve method of using method integration by methods of using by parts. Thank you for the day.